It's Christmas. Christmas here in the Philippines starts in the Burr months, which is from September till December. And for a foreigner living here, it's a bit much. It feels like you are ending a year more sooner than later. It's like you are ending a year 4 months before the actual year ends. Anyway, we kind of get used to the 12 days of Christmas and then probably the 2 bonus day of New Year, which is the New Year Eve and then the New Year's, and that's it. But in the Philippines, it starts since September. Now, why is that? To understand this, we have to know about Philippines and its culture and value. Now, if you don't know about the Philippines have been colonized by the Spanish for over 300 years. Yes, 300 plus years. I came to the Philippines and I took Philippines culture and heritage and I found out about it. Me personally, it's also surprising. And then after that, the American took over colonizing Philippines for I think 50 years or so, at least 50 years. And then after that, during the World War, the Japanese took over from the American and colonized, or actually just overtook Philippines for the period of the World War. Now, that's because of World War, right? I mean, a lot of countries were taken by the Japanese during the World War, so that, you know. Now, the second reason why Philippines celebrate their Christmas celebration early in the year is because of the OFW, Overseas Filipino Workers. Now, during the month of September till December, that's where like all those Filipino overseas workers, they come back for holiday and celebrate. So sometimes they come in September, October, November, around the period of this 4-month period. So families usually just start celebrating Christmas for the return of the Filipino workers overseas. This one I asked my ate that work at the sari-sari store why they celebrate early. It's I think because it's not I think she said that it's a preparation that takes a long time to prepare for Christmas, and Filipino they work long hours every week. They work like 7, 8, 9, 10 hours a week, a day. So for them to prepare for Christmas, it takes a lot of time. So sometimes they pick out Christmas lights and food and whatever decorations that they do, and during those period of months they turn to put up the decoration and start doing stuff before it actually Christmas. One of the main reasons why Filipino they celebrate early, because I believe that Filipino, they are the most joyful people, evidently so, and they just like to celebrate. They just always look for something to be celebrate or happy. So it is uprooted in their culture and value through the hardship they have been through. It's about the overseas workers or overseas Filipino workers that come here. And number three is just always chaotic during Christmas. So they slowly build up to Christmas by buying decoration, doing decoration up to Christmas Day. And final, I think, is just that they love celebrating stuff and they are happy and joyous and welcoming and family-oriented people the most, I believe. So that's why they just celebrate the Christmas period for that long period of time. And they hold the world record of the longest festive season in the world. So yeah, that's why Filipinos celebrate Christmas for 4 months. Merry Christmas and see you on the next one.